In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Cisco Webex. If your Spaces list is overflowing, filters are the fastest way to cut through the noise and focus on what matters. Start by opening the Webex app and heading to your Spaces or Messaging list. This is the panel that shows all your conversations and team spaces. Once you're there, look toward the top of that list for the Filter button. It usually appears as a small funnel icon. Go ahead and click it to open your filtering options. You'll see several helpful choices. Pick Notifications when you only want to see spaces with recent alerts. This is perfect when you want to respond to activity that Webex has flagged for you without scanning everything else. Choose Unread to show only spaces with messages you haven't opened yet. This view keeps your attention on new content and helps you work through updates systematically. Select At Mentions to zero in on messages where someone specifically called you out. It's ideal when you need to address requests or questions directed at you. If you've started writing but didn't finish, tap Drafts to bring up any spaces where you have a saved draft waiting. This helps you quickly pick up where you left off and send those messages. Finally, use Hidden to reveal spaces you previously tucked away. This is handy for checking in on conversations you've intentionally removed from your main view without re-adding them permanently. As soon as you choose a filter, your list updates instantly to show only items that match. This dynamic view helps you move faster and avoid distraction. If you don't see the filter button right away, make sure you're looking at the Spaces or Messaging panel, and note that on smaller windows, the icon may be compact or appear as a simple funnel shape. When you're done, it's easy to return to your complete list. Click the filter button again and choose Show Full List. If your list ever looks unusually short, that's a sign a filter might still be active. Clearing it will restore everything. A quick tip: get into the habit of checking the filter icon when your spaces don't look quite right. It can save you time and confusion. That's all there is to it. By using Notifications, Unread, At Mentions, Drafts, and Hidden, you can stay organized, prioritize your attention, and navigate Webex with confidence. Try each filter to see which one fits your workflow best, and switch back to the full list whenever you need the big picture.